Hey everyone! The Xiaomi 15, Xiaomi's latest entry-level flagship, seamlessly marries cutting-edge design with powerhouse specs, setting a new standard in the mid to high-end smartphone market. Leveraging Leica's renowned lens technology and Qualcomm's advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the Xiaomi 15 is a sleek, powerful option for photography enthusiasts and tech-savvy users. The Xiaomi 15 continues Xiaomi's trend of prioritizing both aesthetic appeal and practicality. The phone is compact, measuring 152.3 by 71.2 by 8.08 millimeters and weighing 191 grams, making it one of the smaller flagships on the market, a refreshing change for users who prefer a more pocketable device. The standout feature here is its 6.36-inch OLED screen with 1.38 millimeters ultra-thin symmetrical bezels. Protected by Xiaomi's proprietary Dragon crystal glass, the display achieves up to 3,200 nits peak brightness, which is not only ideal for outdoor use, but also competes favorably with higher-end screens in today's market. Its adaptive refresh rate, customizable from 1 to 120 Hz, provides a smooth, immersive experience for gaming and media consumption. The Xiaomi 15 debuts Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, claiming a 45% performance boost over its predecessors. This improvement, if accurate in real-world use, would mark a significant leap for users needing a phone that can handle intensive multitasking, gaming, and media editing. Running on Xiaomi's new HyperOS 2.0, an Android-based shell, the interface is reportedly faster and more intuitive, with optimizations geared towards smoother transitions and responsiveness. The software update has the potential to differentiate Xiaomi's lineup from others, giving the Xiaomi 15 a more polished and distinctive user experience. Xiaomi's partnership with Leica is once again evident in Xiaomi 15's triple camera system, which consists of 350 megapixels Summilux lenses. The setup includes a telephoto lens, ultra-wide angle lens, and primary lens equipped with Light Fusion 900 sensor, supported by optical image stabilization. This versatility empowers users to capture high-quality shots in various conditions and provides a professional-grade photography experience, especially impressive given the phone's price range. For selfie lovers, the 32 megapixels front camera is equipped with an OmniVision OV32B40 sensor, promising high clarity and detail. The Xiaomi 15's 5,400 mAh battery is built to handle all-day usage comfortably. Coupled with 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless fast charging, users can quickly recharge, which is especially useful given the high power demands of the Snapdragon 8 Elite and the bright OLED display. Xiaomi's decision to include robust, fast-charging capabilities further enhances the phone's appeal for users seeking convenience without compromising on power. In terms of build, the Xiaomi 15 is crafted with an aircraft-grade aluminum frame featuring micro bends for ergonomic grip and comfort, while its IP68 rating guarantees resistance to dust and water. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, developed by Goodix Technology, adds a layer of security and convenience. Available in a range of colors, including the elegant lilac purple, light grass green, black, and white. The phone is visually appealing, with a premium look that extends to the limited edition bright silver and diamond models. With a starting price of approximately $630 for the base 12 and 256 gig model, and up to $770 for the 16 and 1 terabyte variant, the Xiaomi 15 offers solid value in the premium smartphone segment. For those looking for something truly unique, the Diamond Limited Edition features a real diamond accent and crocodile leather finish, priced around $840. This level of customization is rarely seen in flagship models, setting Xiaomi apart by appealing to users seeking both luxury and functionality. The Xiaomi 15 is a well-balanced smartphone that combines premium aesthetics, powerful hardware, and top-notch camera capabilities, all at a competitive price point. Xiaomi has managed to pack high-end features into a compact form, making it an attractive choice for users who want flagship performance without the oversized form factor typical of today's smartphones. With impressive specs and camera versatility, the Xiaomi 15 sets a strong precedent in the entry-level flagship category, appealing to power users and lifestyle-conscious buyers alike. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.